Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the camera app and selecting slow-mo. That's where the phone records extra frames. Choose 120 FPS for moderate motion or 240 FPS for very fast action so you get usable slow down. Frame your subject, then tap the exposure/AF to lock. This keeps brightness and focus steady while you move. Press record and keep motion smooth. Jerky movement makes the effect look choppy. Once done, stop recording and go straight to the Photos app to edit the slow section. You'll edit in Photos. Tap the slow-mo clip and choose Edit to reveal the timeline. Drag the two vertical white handles inward to define the slow region. The area between them plays at reduced speed while the outside plays at normal speed. Make short adjustments and preview each change. This lets you balance drama and context. If the slow segment looks jittery, try trimming a bit more before or after the action, or re-export at 120 FPS if you need smoother frame blending. Finish by tapping Done and sharing or exporting the clip at its original resolution so you keep frame rate integrity. If you need ramped speeds beyond Photos, import into a third-party editor for precise speed curves and frame blending. Make sure to use stabilization options if the clip is shaky. That reduces perceived stutter. If you still see stutter, record again at 240 FPS or slow less aggressively. Higher FPS gives smoother slow motion because there are.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.